Hey, it's Dave Rexroth looking at your forecast here. The sunny days in the 70s are gone for a while. Rain showers move in and take in overnight. Here's tomorrow morning, 8:30. You could see scattered showers. They'll be off and on through the day on Tuesday. Probably a little heavier pace to them later in the day, plus in the evening hours, and they start to pull away on Wednesday morning real early. So the chances through the day all high, but the best chance for a little heavier downpour probably 4 o'clock and beyond. Here, look at the totals now. Again, this is into the morning rush hour, a few hundreds, maybe a tenth. That's not a real big deal. But as the day goes along, it starts to get more moist and the rain totals start to pick up a bit more. So most areas expect a quarter inch. Some areas could go to a half an inch into Wednesday morning. 48 overnight tonight. For Detroit, it looks like probably mid to upper 40s in all spots around here. The rain takes over south to north as we go along. In Detroit, we'll go down to 48. Some spots may be around a little closer to 50. And then tomorrow, we're going to only stay in the 50s, and that's obviously much cooler than what we had on Monday, and that is the trend for a while. So showers likely tomorrow, 56. Grab your umbrella. And then 50s all the way through Saturday. The weekend looks pretty good. Partly sunny Saturday, mostly sunny Sunday, and then back to 70 on Monday. There's a little wrinkle off in Canada I'm watching for Saturday, but right now we'll call it dry. We'll keep you updated if we need to.